Okay, so I just made my website for my studio and it looks absolutely stunning. I like it a lot. And so let's go ahead and take a look. Boom. Loading animations just look absolutely crazy. This logo is actually my cat and it make it like feel like pretty minimalistic because like that's the vibe I'm going for. And like this is my old portfolio website. No, it's my old website for the landing page studio. It looks good, right? Because like the background, I made that. It's AI generated. It looks good, but it doesn't feel like this guy makes a website for other people, right? It's just okay. Is this guy like a nice SaaS product or something? It doesn't stand out like that. It's a website. So I just made this. I made this, and this like it's like okay, this is a website. So this guy have to do something about website, right? So that's like the why I'm going for. Like the CTA is just hire me on Fiverr. So no paying in like Stripe or something like that. I'm not gonna scam you. So Fiverr is like very trustworthy. And so that's what I'm going for. You can just go and take a look. What kind of page do you need? So if you want to do something like SaaS wait list, just go ahead, click it. These are the preview of the website I've made as a practice. And some's the real one. I have a demo right here. These are the practice one, right? If you wanna go like, okay, let me take a look at some real estate. Boom, here. Okay, this looks absolutely stunning. I want to know more about it. You can just go ahead and see about it. If you like, you can tell me that you like these kind of vibe. I can easily make it for you because I've made it in the past, right? Yeah, and that's the work page. I love this one so much. It looks absolutely crazy. You can just go ahead and pick the stuff that you actually need, and boom. Right. I have no 3JS right now. I did not make one. But, let's go back. Yeah, that's absolutely stunning. This is my first website. I did not ship it, but it's my first website I've ever made. However, okay, let's go back to homepage. These are the demos. My best work right here. You can go ahead and take a look at it. I like it a lot. These are the process. The process were very easy. There's a front end stack. Like the price is very low right now because I'm trying not to make it like cost that much. I think this is probably like the price I'm going for. It's like 50% off for 10 spots. I want like a lot of reviews and testimonials. I'm very confident I can make like a very good website. I still don't have like a lot of testimonials or experience, but one thing is I'll try a lot, right? Because I have a lot of time to do your work. So if you trust me, it's very cheap. I have a lot of time to do your work and just yeah, you can hire me on Fiverr. Just click the button, and then here's my Fiverr page. Just go ahead, $80. So Fiverr is going to be more because like that's the minimum. That is literally the minimum. You can't make it lower than that. That is. So if you want to get like a lower rate, you just go ahead and Fastwork. You can go on Fastwork. This is like $45. The one that it's very simple, and I can make a website for you like very cheap because like I'm just starting. So here's the pricing page. You can just go process about page, and one thing is the FAQ page. You should come here and just go like to see what's up with it. Yeah, that's it. I have a footer. I like the footer a lot. I also have like a light mode. What weirdo like it? I don't know, but I have it. So if you wanna have it in light mode, you can. Do not recommend it. So have it in Thai, because I can make a website for both English and Thai. I can use like AI to make it in other language as well. And one thing I like the most about this website is actually this search one. Come on, that looks crazy. If you want to know about like the FAQ, you can just search it up. Go boom, FAQ. If you want to like see other dental, you just go ahead. Dental, okay, they have 2 dental work. So this one preview is like the early one I've made. Very cute. And also one thing I like the most is the loading screen. Like just look at that. Look at that, guys. That is crazy. If you want something just like this, you want a website like this, or just go ahead on work, see if there's some website you like and you want me to make it for you, just go ahead, hit me up, and I'll see you again next time. All right, peace.